Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can change your display name on Roblox. So this is super easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. So first of all, go to roblox.com, then go to the settings, and now you can see your settings, the account info, display name, username, and the password. And if you want to change the display name, just simply hit this button right here. That's the edit button for the display name. And then you can change this. So for example, how to simple, and it's accepted, and your display name can only be changed once every 7 days. So keep that in mind, that you can only do this one every 7 days, but it's not really long. So if you misspelled something and you still saved it, just wait a couple of days and then you can do it again. There's no way around to change your display name within 7 days, or you have to contact them by email or just here through a contact. But yeah, that doesn't really help. It's only 7 days, so if you didn't enter it in correctly, yeah, just wait and change it after 7 days. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.